Hi, I'm Billy, and welcome to Inbox Dollars, the world's leading online and mobile rewards club. You have made a really smart decision to join us. So let me be the first to say congratulations. Now that you're a member of Inbox Dollars, you're joining a group of people just like you, members who are already earning cash rewards for doing what they love. And guess what? Now it's your turn to earn cash for doing all the things you enjoy and already do every day online. Things like taking surveys, reading emails, searching the web, discovering new products, and shopping. We'll show you what you need to know, step by step. Just follow the instructions and know that we're here to support you along the way. Oh, and check this out. You'll discover many different ways to make money, like playing games, watching videos, influencing the people who develop products and brands. How cool is that? And saving money on the brands you use. There are no complicated systems and no confusing points. Just cash for having fun. So get started today and begin to earn cash doing what you love. And don't forget to join our more than 1 million fans on Facebook for more fun.